Welcome back to SIJORI Week. Since its inception in 2024, SIJORI Week has been the key platform in driving growth of the tri-border digital hubs Singapore, Johor and Batam. And now with the SIJORI region's data center market projected to surpass 4,500 megawatts by 2027, this is the only event fully dedicated to fostering collaboration, investment and sustainable growth across this fast-growing region. Join us behind the scenes of our action-packed days where over 3,000 senior executives from 10+ countries come together to shape the future of SIJORI region.
Callum, welcome to SIJORI Golf Cup. How are you doing today?
Absolutely incredible. I love this event. Second time I've done it. Last year was incredible. This year, oh my God, so much fun.
Thanks for being here, Alvin. So I've got a question. More birdies or more business?
Of course, no, just joking. More business for sure over here. So birdies didn't get much.
So I want to start with your flight today. Did you have anyone that was very competitive?
All of them are actually very competitive, but at the same time they are very friendly. Join SIJORI Golf next year.
This is my first time to join this meeting. For us, for Indonesia, it's very important that we tell the industry that Batam has a lot of potential, subsea cable, electricity and the people.
The key distinguishment factors of Batam are first its proximity to Singapore as a major hub in Southeast Asia. With less than a millisecond of latency, you can basically get connected to the Singaporean ecosystem.
I think number one, Interconnect World Forum and sessions such as this brings together industry players. So it's an opportunity for me to explain our policies, our initiatives. Number two, to listen from them, their challenges that they face. And I look forward to more such big events.
Definitely in terms of this event, right, it's a very good point of engagement where we bring our clients in, we also meet new clients, we meet the ecosystem and supply chain, as well as various providers of different services around the ecosystem. As a platform and engagement point, right, it helps us to re-engage our clients.
It's great to have PDG as one of the key members and sponsors of this launch of OCP in Southeast Asia. In general, what role do you see community organizations like OCP playing in Southeast Asia and then specifically to your organization?
Right. I think OCP really brings together all the various different ecosystem players up and down the entire stack, especially right now as the digital infrastructure stack and the entire new cloud and AI application stacks are really converging.
For people that has been familiar with OCP, it's been, well, bringing a lot of innovation into the data center market. And since Southeast Asia is such an important data center hub, I think that will benefit a lot.
It's an honor to sponsor the event. Really professional pre-event. Thanks for W.Media for this chance that we can take part in a great event like this. Really good, really good. And the drinks are great, the vibes are great. Thanks.
my pleasure to welcome you to the 2025 SIJORI Cloud and Data Center Convention. This year, we have launched several exciting editions: Interconnect World Singapore, Center Stage, the Hospitality Connection Lounge by SM Plus, and the Expo Hall.
I'm a regular event attendant of W.Media event, so it's not only in Singapore, in Indonesia, in Batam, and also in Singapore. So this is one event that for me to networking with the rest of the colleagues, and also trying to get more exposure with the companies.
SIJORI is one of the really fastest growing markets in the world. As you can see that by the number of the DCs are popping up, and for the context of the hydraulic, we are being a water specialist. We help the DC hyperscalers and DC operators to achieve a remarkable water effectiveness. That is exactly why it's important for us to be in this event. If you are at any part, you're involved in this industry, either the end user, suppliers, or a part of that ecosystem, looking forward to seeing you next year.
Welcome to SIJORI Football.
Great to have you here today. What do you think of the whole day?
I think it's enjoyable. The game is actually very interesting.
And how did your team perform today?
I think they're good. They're really good. I was actually a bit surprised as well. That we have fun together. Get everyone, all the industry guys all together. I think it's great fun for us. Yeah.
Well, it's great to have you here. So, Patrick, how are you enjoying today?
It's been absolutely fantastic, thanks. Bit tired, we're 5 games through, 1 more to go, but it's been a great day, thanks.
Great. So I see you're wearing the Speedmaster Challenge winner. How did you get that?
Actually from kicking the ball. I thought about Berto Carlos on a free kick and just went up and smashed it.
Would you be back here again?
If I get invited, yes please.
That's great, thanks Patrick.
Okay, cheers.